Disney Cars Toys Collection, the ultimate guide to building your dream garage. Looking for the best Disney Cars Toys collection? Look no further. From Lightning McQueen to Modder, we've got you covered with the ultimate guide to building your dream garage. Start your collection with the classic characters, like Lightning McQueen and Sally. Add in their friends, like Modder, Luigi, and Guido, to create a complete collection. For the ultimate Disney Cars fan, go all out with the Radiator Springs playset, complete with a garage, a racetrack, and plenty of spaces for all of your favorite characters. This set is a must-have for any collection. Take your Disney Cars Toys collection to the next level with the Piston Cup playset, featuring a track that can be configured in multiple ways. This set is perfect for creating epic races between all of your favorite characters. Don't forget the newest additions to the Disney Cars franchise. Add Cruz, Ramirez and Jackson Storm to your collection to stay up to date with all of the latest characters and storyline. For the youngest fans, there's the Disney Cars Shake and Go Racers. These cars are perfect for little hands, with a simple shake to make them go. Collect them all to keep your little one entertained for hours. Take your Disney Cars Toys collection on the go with the Mack Truck playset, featuring a built-in track and plenty of storage space for your cars. This set is perfect for road trips and playdates. If you're looking for something a little different, check out the Disney Cars Transforming Mack. This toy truck doubles as a playset, complete with a launch ramp and a secret storage compartment for your toys. For collectors, there's the Disney Cars die-cast line, featuring highly detailed versions of all your favorite characters. These cars are perfect for display shelves or creating your own epic races. Take a trip down memory lane with the Disney Cars story sets. These playsets recreate iconic scenes from the movies, like Lightning McQueen's Big Race or Mater's Junkyard. For the ultimate Disney Cars fan, there's the Ultimate Florida Speedway. This massive playset features a 5-level spiral track, a motorized booster, and plenty of space for all of your favorite characters. Looking for a unique addition to your Disney Cars Toys collection? Check out the remote-controlled Lightning McQueen. With full motion control, this car is perfect for racing around your living room. Take your Disney Cars Toys collection to the next level with the Piston Cup Championship game. Race your friends around the board, collecting tokens and completing challenges to see who comes out on top. For a more interactive experience, check out the Disney Cars app Mates. These toys are designed to be used with a tablet, creating a virtual world for your favorite characters to explore. Don't forget about the accessories. Add in the Disney Cars Mack Hauler and the Radiator Springs launcher to complete your collection, and take your races to the next level. No matter what your style or budget, there's a Disney Cars toy out there for every fan. So start building your dream garage today and let the races begin.